Hi, this is Digital Fam and welcome to OVRland, the YouTube channel that focuses on the OVR.AI platform and its community. So subscribe if you are curious or interested about platform developments, the people that own overlands, otherwise known as hexes or hexagons, what they're doing with these overlands, and why in the world would you want to join OVR. So this video is part 2 in the series of how the spatial web or OVR.AI will have an impact on real estate and land development. If this is your first visit to this channel, I would like to recommend that you click this video right up here so that you get a brief overview of what OVRland or OVR.AI actually is. If you haven't watched the first video in the series, just click right up here and then come back to this video. Okay, so let's get started. In the first video of this series, I talked about how important it is for homeowners to actually own the hexagons that are overlaid on their property. And I also talked about how important it is for buyers of property or homes to make sure that the sellers actually own the hexagons of their property, and then that also comes with the purchase price and the property. And the reason why you would want to own the hexagons that are overlaid over your property is because you certainly wouldn't want people to create augmented reality experiences over the privacy of your own home. I mean, that's like an invasion of private property, is it not? In this video, I really want to focus more on land development and urban planning. Now, this video is assuming that OVR.AI will be the standard spatial web where all things will be integrated with augmented reality. Now I'm going to keep it very simple. Because one overland is actually one hexagon, that is 300 square meters, it only makes sense whether you group a number of hexagons to make one single property. It just makes sense that when urban planning is involved and developing land, the land developers or urban planners are really going to have to take consideration the hexagonal shape when planning out cities and developments in the future. Currently, and for obvious reasons, the hexagons on OVR.AI are just overlaid randomly. And when I talk about randomly, I mean that a hexagon doesn't necessarily encompass an entire property. It can actually cross between 2 or 3 property lines, and to me that would present an issue. So basically the point of this video is, if we are going to say that OVR.AI is the standard spatial web and everybody's going to use it in terms of integrating augmented reality into the real world, then land developers and urban planners are really going to have to consider the hexagonal shape and how it relates to the real world in terms of exact location. So I'm going to stop this video right here. I feel like I made my point. It was a simple one, logical, and it made common sense. I'd really love to know your thoughts, so please share them in the comments below and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in this series, or you're interested in augmented reality, real estate, how OVR.AI is going to impact the way we live in other industries, then consider subscribing to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get notified of when the next video uploads. In the next video, you're going to watch me pick out my next overlands and bid on them. So if you have any suggestions right now on what overlands I should get, what cities, what types of locations, put them in the comments below. Also, I do have a Twitch account, and what I plan to do is to extend what I do in the next video onto the Twitch account, where I will actually go through picking out overlands, why I'm picking them, and going through the process of bidding them. And then on the live chat, I would really like to invite people to share in this experience and tell me where I should buy an overland. And you know what? The first 10 people that are really engaging on the Twitch stream with me will actually be part owners of that overland that we choose to get together. Well, that's all for now. So wherever you are in this world, have a great day, have a great evening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.